Most beginner fails in development not because they are bad, but because they made these deadly 5 mistakes. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pankaj Singh and today we will be talking about 5 mistakes to avoid as a beginner web developer. So let's get started. Whenever you start web development, there are some mistakes I see a lot of people make. In this video, I'm going to cover these mistakes. For example, not using HTML5 tags, not commenting the code, or watching random videos, and many other common mistakes that you might already know. If you're starting web development without any proper plan or roadmap, then it looks like that you're building house without a blueprint. Without structure, you might start learning HTML, CSS, JS, React, all just in one way. But the better approach is to focus on building basics. Like you start with HTML, then after completion of HTML, you can move to CSS and further on. If I took my own example, for the first time when I started learning web development, within 2 hours, I just completed the whole HTML. And after completion of HTML, I switched to CSS without building project on HTML. I was stuck in a loop of watching tutorial and not focusing on building projects. This was a huge mistake that I did. So you have to avoid this. And the second major mistake that most of the developers do, that they are stuck in a loop of tutorial. I know most of people are out there watching tutorial, learning courses, but the real goal of learning is to build things, build some real world project. Because if you want to stand out in today's AI driven world, you have to focus on problem solving skill, not on just learning. And the another mistake that most of the developers do is not making website responsive, because over 60 to 70% of web traffic comes from mobile devices. And if your website is not responsive, not mobile friendly, then guess what happens? Text get cut off, layout will break, button get too small, and all these results in user to leave the websites in second. So learning to make website responsive design attracts user. Okay, the fourth mistake that I found in most of the people is giving up too early. I know most of my friends in college start learning web development for the first time, and they saw someone on YouTube that how to build website within an hour, and they start thinking that they are still stuck on topic Flexbox. This mindset kills your confidence, and you will start learning multiple languages simultaneously. And after a few days, you will realize that you are watching lecture, but still you are on the same point from where you have started. And your progress is still zero after spending lots of time on tutorial. This demotivates you and finally you give up. So you have to avoid this. The last one is not focus on building projects. I'm not saying that you haven't built any project. Definitely if you're learning web development seriously, you might have built some projects like tic-tac-toe game, calculator, clock and many other. But you're living in AI world. And you all know that tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini and many other AI tools can generate these basic code with just one click. So focus on building real world project, which I've covered in my one of the video, which you can check it out. The link is in description box, and these projects really help you to stand out in real world. If you found the video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. Follow for more such videos and let me know in the comment section how many of these mistakes might you have done.